Greetings and salutations. My name is Tish and welcome to the Artist Haven, where home plus art equals heart. In today's video, I'm going to do an acrylic pour with hair serum, just to see what kind of cells this produces. So let's get down to it. Thanks for joining me. I'm Tish and I am the artisan and owner at Happenstance Furniture and Sundries. HFS is the sponsor of Artist Haven, where we work to create a community for artists from all walks of life and all medium formats to come together in creative endeavors and community support. Today I have a 12 by 12 canvas, Artist Loft Copper, Artist Loft Bright Red, Artist Loft Yellow, and a custom orange made with Artist Loft paints. In order to disperse the coconut milk, I did not use a little pumper guy. I used a pipette. Okay, so what I do is I mix my colors first with Floetrol paint and water to get the consistency that I want, and then I measure it out into a secondary cup. When I mix my paints, I mix them in a large container like this, and I add Floetrol and water and my paint. I mix it all up and then I put it into another container like this, squeeze bottle, and that way it's ready to go when I'm ready to go. But when I add additives to my paint, I scale it out to be 5 ounces, 2 ounces, 6 ounces, whatever amount of paint I think I need, which I always think I need more than I do, but that's neither here nor there. And then I add my additive. So in the copper, in the yellow, and in the orange, I have 5 ounces, and in the red, I have 6. For the serum, I added 10 drops to the copper. I add 6 drops to the bright red, 15 drops to the yellow, and 20 drops to the custom orange. And today we're going to do these on black. For this painting, I am going to do a fireball. That's basically what I'm going to call it. It's basically a sunburst, so I'm going to be swiping from the center out. That is the plan for the black. All right, now that we are ready to roll, I'm going to move these out of the way. And we're going to get some black on this background. Got my glove right here. And my black paint is over here. And I didn't mix any serum into the black. And I'm just going to start with a dollop of copper in the middle. Alright, let's see how this goes. Pour a little bit of black in the center. And I have this is a plastic cutting board. They're flexible chopping mats that I get at the dollar store. I get 2 of them for $1, and they're 11 by 14, and I find I'm not very good at swiping with anything else, and I'm still not really good at it. So practice makes perfect. We're gonna give it a whirl. I'm going to start pulling in from the outside edge in. I'm going to leave that blackened down in the corner like that. We're going to let that one go. Alright, let's torch this. I didn't torch the black background for this particular swipe just because I knew I'd be moving that paint a lot and the air bubbles would work their way out. I really like how this is kind of 3D. So I'm going to leave it at that. I'm going to torch to get any air bubbles. And this is a lot of paint on this canvas. So hopefully it'll stay kind of like this. But let's torch this real quick. Well, that didn't turn out like a sunburst pattern. Like I thought it might. Maybe. Possibly. But still kind of cool. I'm going to go set the timer for 20 minutes and we'll come back and see how this looks. Okay, it's been about 20 minutes and I would like to do a close-up picture here and hopefully not drop my camera right into the paint. So let's start in the upper left. I love how the black still kind of peeks through. And how I left a little bit of the color just like unsullified, I guess you'd say. And the center has all these kind of cool cells that are just multi-layered, and some of they just fit together like a pieces of puzzle. A little spot to rest your eye. Really little spot, but it's still there. But I do love the overall composition of this piece. It's very bold, and yet there's earth tones and bright tones in it, so it's just bam, kind of in your face, but yet not. Intellectual inquiry for today. Since we used this nourishing coconut milk anti-breakage serum, it made me curious. Do you have a secret weapon in your hair care arsenal? If you do, let me know down in the comments below. I'd love to read your answers. If you found value in this video, please smash that like button. And if you like this video and would like to see more, please hit the subscribe button and click that little notifications bell so you can be notified when we add new content or go live on our channel. Thanks for joining me. Peace, love, and happiness.